I'm gonna do a quick walk around. We just swapped out the Can-Am side protection bars from my 22 XT onto this brand new 24 1000R Limited. These bars are real sturdy. Cost about 380 bucks. Then we had to buy the extension, which was probably another close to $60. They were out of stock on Can-Am's site, so we of course had to go to Amazon for it. Real sturdy, they look pretty good. We had to upgrade the hardware, so once we started getting everything off, the bolts were rusted and nuts. Some of them had to be hammered off and cut. See if I could get under there and show you how it bolts in. On the originals, they came with a riveting nuts that we had to add to this model. That was an unexpected snag. Once we had the right tools, it was pretty easy. It already saved me from when my daughter crashed the old one into her play set over there. Did no damage whatsoever. I can only imagine how much that would have cost to repair. Some of the other things we got going on: the RJWC gas cap, shifter, got the 4-inch rack on the front, got that small little box here for when the seat's off. We could also replace that. The 8-gallon cooler box, which just about fits a case of beer. Not quite, almost. The RJWC neutrino lights also. Got a few more things to swap off the old one before we most likely sell it. Got the fairing, the windshields, cup holders, which is pretty good in the winter. Once I get everything swapped off, I'll do another one.